Welcome to What's New at AWS. Amazon DynamoDB now supports resource-based policies. This will simplify access control on DynamoDB table or stream, specifically for the use case where you need to control access to DynamoDB resources from different AWS account. In this demo, we'll try cross-account DynamoDB table access using this new capability. To value your time, I went ahead and have created one DynamoDB table websites in one account, and I am temp user in a different account. I have also created access key for this user, which I used to configure AWS CLI in Cloud Shell. Later, we'll use this Cloud Shell for our testing. If you open DynamoDB table, you'll see a new tab called Permissions. Select it. You'll see resource-based policy for table section. Click Create Table Policy to open the policy editor. Add new statement. Select Get Item Action. Click Add. Copy ARN of temp user from different account. Select principal type AWS account and root user and paste the ARN. Add principal. To summarize, temp user from this account is now allowed to access websites from different account to get DynamoDB items. Click Create Policy. Resource-based policy is now set. On the other end, we need to allow this temp user to get item from that table. Let's create inline policy to provide necessary permissions. Choose Service DynamoDB. Select Get Item Action. Choose Specific Resource. Click Add ARNs. Copy the cross-account table ARN and paste it here. Add ARNs. Click Next. Enter policy name. And finally create policy. So now this IAM user has necessary permission to get item from this cross-account DynamoDB table. Before we start testing, let's explore website's table items quickly. This table has 3 items with name as partition key and URL as attribute. Let's try AWS DynamoDB get item from this cross-account table for the key AWS chunky. And we are able to retrieve the item. Now we'll make this resource-based policy more restrictive so that temp user can only access item that has partition key AWS chunky. Let's add a condition. Select service level condition key leading keys, qualifier for all values in request, operator string equals, and AWS chunky as value. Save changes. Rerun the last command to verify. And yes, we are able to retrieve the item for AWS chunky. Now try different key SrcCodes. As expected, we got error saying not authorized to perform get item action because no resource-based policy allows that action. Based on use cases, you can use different global condition keys or DynamoDB related condition keys. For example, we can use attribute to allow the user access only specific DynamoDB attributes. And one more thing, in the policy editor, if you click policy examples button, you'll find many different types of examples for resource-based policy. And don't hesitate to take help from AI Assistant Amazon Q. That's it for today's update. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep floating on the cloud.